Hi, Don Southerton here. We're rebooting our Korea 101 YouTube channel. In this episode, I'll share 10 insights into the Korean workplace team environment, their DNA, norms, and mindset. Occasionally, I'll be looking away at my notes just so I don't miss anything. This list was compiled a number of years ago by a Korean colleague who asked me to share in workshops and give others a better understanding of the Korean workplace culture. First of these qualities is trust. There is very strong trust within the team in Korea, mainly because of the legacy of achieving bold accomplishments, often seemingly impossible tasks. Next is family. Traditional Korean family norms still permeate the workplace culture. An elder brother as a boss, senior manager, or leadership. And coworkers are often seen as family. Challenge. In a one-word summary of the Korean workplace, it would be challenge, both in what they have overcome and what is expected of is in the among global employees. Input. Companies are very hierarchical, but actively demand input from all levels. Top management makes decisions on the expectations that their teams will be able, at lower levels, will be providing them with all possible outcomes and the challenges. Next is teamwork. Once the decision is made, all dissenting or differing opinions unite to embrace success. Solution. In Korea, employees do not badmouth or put down the company. In fact, many feel that such an attitude is part of the problem and is not part of the solution. Even among friends, negative thoughts are not openly shared. Relationships. For higher ranks to the lower ranks, there is, as I mentioned, it's very hierarchy. But there are also it's also a very protective organization. On one level, norms dictate how seniors are demanding of their juniors to make sure the juniors learn work expectations, practices, and culture. On another level, the workers must ensure that mistakes that could reflect poorly on the seniors, the department, or the company are not made. Once a junior works for a senior, that junior is part of the network of other employees under the senior umbrella and protection. Next, expectations. There are a lot of expectations, and they're very high, that must be met. Doing a great job is just what you're getting paid for. Collaboration. We see in the workplace, the process also involves receiving an assignment, clarifying details, going off and working diligently, and coming back to your management with the results. Korean staff take a little different opinion. They take a different approach. They receive an assignment, work on and discuss it collectively with others, and go back possibly to the manager or their leadership several times to get informally to get some more clarity on what that direction should be. This method takes time, but the Korean worker knows that when the manager sees the results, it's what the senior requested. Adaptability, flexibility, and acceptance of change. Projects are subject to change. Some speed up, some slow down, others stall, other comes back. So these are the qualities that are in the Korean workplace. These are 10 that I just shared with you. But I'd also like to include that if you have any question or would like more information, you can always reach out to me by text, message, email, and I'll get right back to you. So until next time, this is Don Southerton wishing you all the best.